This is a final video to fix download permission errors in desktop mode on Steam Deck. And if you've been stuck seeing those annoying messages, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Steam Deck's desktop mode sometimes restricts access to certain folders or files, causing downloads to fail even when your internet works fine. You might have seen other guides online that are long, confusing, and full of complicated commands that are hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that solves it in just a few clicks. All you need to do is adjust the folder permissions correctly and restart Steam, and your downloads will start working instantly without any extra steps. This method is fast, safe, and works every time, saving you from wasting hours on trial and error. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click and type to fix it completely. So drop a comment below and let me know.